Hey lovers, it's C and I am back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail using the PixArt app. So this app does have ads, but you do not have to get the premium trial to do this. So we're going to go through and we're going to create a custom image. We're going to find your image in your photo album. So I'm just making this. This isn't connected to any video. Just going to show you guys the option or how to do it. So we're going to pick this picture, selfie from 2020, New Year's, because we're celebrating the New Year still. And we're going to resize this picture. So we're going to crop it down to one of the options that they have. The best thing about this is they do have options that will fit into the YouTube criteria for your thumbnail. So you just pick one, and then of course make sure that the picture is able to fit in between that box. So the content that you want in that box, make sure it fits, because this is what's going to show up on the thumbnail. So you don't want half of your face cropped out. I don't really care on this one just because this is an example, so I'm just going to go ahead with it anyway. And then, just put your effects on there. You can do like blurs, any type of different effects. They have plenty of effects that aren't, that you don't need to pay for. So I just did like a little blur on the outside, focus on the face, and we're gonna go in and pick some stickers. So I'm gonna just type in New Year, since that's the theme of this picture that we're doing. But you can pretty much type in anything. It's going to give you some options just to make your pictures more fun and, attractive to the eye when people are scrolling to pick a video to watch. So we're going to pick this Happy New Year 2020 sticker, and then we're going to go in and just get something fun. So we're going to pick this, I don't even know what you call these things. The little blow things. I'm just gonna do something weird, like put it by my mouth to act like I'm blowing it. But and then we're gonna add some text, so you can write or add any text. We're gonna put the title of the video, which is not a real video, but we're gonna put how I brung in 2020, as if this was a vlog, But of course you write whatever your video title is. I've noticed that most YouTubers don't put the exact title of the video that they're putting on YouTube on the, you put something fun or something attractive to the eye on your picture. So I'll just put how I brung in 2020 vlog. But if I were to, name this video on YouTube, I may name it something different. So we're still going in and putting that text. And, you just have to play around with it sometimes. I do find that with doing this on my phone, even though I have a bigger screen on my phone, sometimes, the resizing of the words and stuff may get a little tricky. You see how I just flipped it upside down? So sometimes you have to go back in and, redo it, take it out, and put the words back in to make sure you got it right. So that's what I'm doing here. But, practice makes perfect. But, being that the letters are so small, when you try to get your thumbs in to resize or rotate the words to where you need them to be on the screen, it messes it up because the thumbs are so big. But, well, my thumbs are big, I don't know about y'all thumbs. And if you have nails, it doesn't really help at all. But, you get it. Sometimes you may even find that you want to place it somewhere else because it gets too difficult. You're like, you know what, I'm going to put it on this side. So, moving on. So with this, you can just save the video and you can upload it to Instagram or whatever. It doesn't have a YouTube option, I don't think. So what I do is I just, save the video to my camera roll and then go into YouTube Studios. You can do this while your video is actually still loading, or you can wait till your video loads. But you would go in. I'm going to go ahead and show you on a video that's already uploaded. I'm just going to act like I'm adding it in. But you would hit this edit thumbnail option and upload a custom thumbnail, which you have already saved to your camera roll. So you would just go get that out of there. And that is how you upload it. So you just, save it. And being that I did pick the wrong rectangular option, the whole picture doesn't fit. So that's why I would suggest to go in and select the 16 by 9. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out and I'm going to show you which one that is that you would want to pick. So I'm going to go back to the PixArt app and same thing, just pick a picture. We're going to pick the same picture and go back to resize, and you're going to pick that last rectangular option. So that's 16 by 9. That is the exact measurement of what YouTube will allow. That's why when I went to YouTube to put it in, there was still some space on the outside. So you will want to make sure, and we're just going back and saving all that again just to show you. So you want to make sure that the picture or the content that you want in that picture will fit into that 16 by 9 frame, because that is all YouTube will allow you to upload for that thumbnail. And see how it fits perfectly. So even though half of my face is cut off, you guys get the point. If I were to make a video, a picture, or use a picture, I would make sure that the picture is drawn back enough so that all the content that I want can fit into that little 16 by 9 frame. So that is all. And again, just showing you that 16 by 9. That's the, I can't stress enough, that's the frame that you want. But, well, that is all for this video. I do want to invite you guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to see more voiceover videos or how-to videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below.